Smoke jumpers to the rescue. Question number 1. The passage says that a line attached to the plane helps open the parachute. What does the word attached mean? A, took, B, joined, C, tugged, D, dragged. Why are smoke jumpers called to put out a fire? A, it is easier for them to put out a fire. B, it is often safer for them to fight a fire. C, they are able to use fewer people to put out a fire. D, they are able to get to the fire quicker than other firefighters. Question number 3. How does a fire break help to stop a fire? A, it creates a space for smoke jumpers to land. B, it opens up the force so that the fire truck can get to the fire. C, it helps pilots see where they need to drop supplies. D, it takes away the trees and branches a fire needs to keep burning. 4. How does the author organize the section called Practice, Practice, Practice? A, by explaining how smoke jumpers put out fires. B, by arguing why people should train to become smoke jumpers. C, by giving examples of why becoming a smoke jumper is a lot of work. D, by describing the steps smoke jumpers take to pack their parachute in a bag. Lastly, question number 5. Which best tells the main idea of the passage? A, smoke jumpers work hard using their special training and tools to fight fires. B, smoke jumpers need special equipment such as parachutes to do their job. C, smoke jumpers live in areas where a lot of fires happen. D, smoke jumpers take airplanes to get to fires.